So another heads cam C6 Z06?
Nope. Bone stock.
No, what are we doing?
Heads.
Jeez.
That's it.
Not doing cam?
Nope. Not doing headers, not doing intake, just set of heads. Bone stock, set of AI heads.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, buddy.
That'll be interesting to see what it picks up.
35's my guess.
Yeah, I was going with about 30.
Yeah?
Last one we did pick up 40.
That's not bad. I mean, that's for most of the power.
That was years ago. Oh, the tune. So heads and tune. We picked up 41.
Okay.
But you get the heads fixed, so.
But he's doing them, the AI heads, not just like fixed heads, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So I guess he just wanted to fix the heads, but have a little power at the same time?
Pretty much. I mean, you get everything new. I think eventually he'll do something, but you do it once, you know?
Yeah. It's pretty low baseline, 443. Well, not low, but like average. Low miles,
Yeah,
11,000.
11,000,
Yeah.
Yep, good color.
So how was it?
It's awesome, man. It's awesome.
Yeah, it runs good.
She was badass.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, buddy.
Now we got to do is put a snow plow in front of it.
Yeah, and now we're ready. Is it still cold up by you?
No, it was like 50 today when I got out of there.
It's still fairly cold, but. Well, the 2018 Procharged C7 Z06 is finished, and the owner is picking it up. We're going to load it up on his trailer for him, so he is good for his drive home. Got it tinted as well, so it is tinted. We also had it ceramic coated and cleaned up, so looks really, really good. He's going to enjoy it. All the way home to Wisconsin. Front's clear. Yeah, you're good up front. So what do you got going on this, Brad?
Doing brakes, rotors, new calibers, so on front and back, everything. That's what I'm working on now.
Nice. A little ATS.
Yeah. And they got shields everywhere. I had to take off a whole under tray just to get it jacked up. So they got these cars protected, but it's coming along. Got the back done. Got to do the front now. So it should be done pretty soon.
Nice. Heads already on? Yep. That's good. It's a shame the stock manifolds are going back on.
Yeah, I know. But I think it's more of a reliability thing for this guy.
Yeah.
They are kind of nice when they're quiet.
Oh, for sure.
It'll be faster than, you know, another stock one next to you, so.
That's true. Eric!
Stevie!
What are you working on, buddy?
Here comes Steve. Unfortunately.
So rude. Oh, so I was here when the owner dropped it off, and he has a guess of 443.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. How much? The owner guessed 443. I'm going 463.
What's the one yesterday?
443. Yeah.
That's right, ready.
How many miles are on this one? Yep. I'm going 452. Brad, what's your guess since you've been on lately?
I'll do 448.
448, okay.
Yep.
What'd you say, Matt? 439. 439, all right, he's going on the lower side. Bone stock, 100% stock. Jody, rolling?
I said 463.
That's pretty good.
There's for the win.
Not bad. Not bad.
Alright, yank it up.
See? That's why every car is different. One with 11,000 miles, bone stock did 443. Another one bone stock, 15,000 miles, did 465. Every car is different.
He's gonna put it back right now.
I like this blue.
Brand doesn't like it.
Really?
I like the darker one.
I like this blue. Looks more
I like this blue better than Cody's blue.
Damn. His is what, Admiral blue, isn't it?
Le Mans.
Le Mans, oh, okay, that's right.
Yeah. Don't put that on camera.
Oh, what's going on there? Cody, you believe this?
No, don't put that on there.
He hates your color.
I don't hate his color. I think
said
it's
he
awesome. It's a
hates-
rare color, but I just like this
color.
I just like this color more.
Damn.
I didn't say I hate. Or did I say I hate the
He
color?
just said he hates your color.
I just said I like it more than Le Mans blue. I didn't say I hated his color.
Talking behind his back and
I'll tell you what color's gay, that fucking BMW out front.
yeah. Drove it to work. Where's your Nova at?
In the garage.
Doesn't even run.
Doesn't have a steering column in it right
Doesn't
now.
even run.
Yes, it does. Good. Both shocks are out. Two-inch, no catch, there and MGW shipping.
Okay. Well, I'm guessing the thingamabobber came.
The thingamabobber did come.
Do you see him?
Yep.
That. Couldn't think of it.
Not glad you thought of it.
Are you though? Are you?
I don't really care.
I know you don't. So do a little flashy.
It is currently what I'm doing.
I'm gonna like turn my screens around because your screen is flickering. I'm trying to prevent it from flickering. You can't see what you're doing anyways.
I'm just setting the idle speed.
Oh, there we go. Found a good ISO and shutter speed so your screen doesn't flicker. Well, we didn't really do a whole lot power-wise to this. Basically just a cam. Pistons aren't going to create any power. They're just forged. And it already had exhaust and headers and an intake, so.
Yup.
That's a daddy.
That is the daddy.
So, be interested to see what it picks up.
9 credits to tune this thing.
Damn, really?
4, and 1 for the fuel pump control module.
Damn, that's a lot. Oh, we did do a converter as well. Doesn't that usually lower the horsepower?
Yeah, sure.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, not so much in the newer because they're pretty efficient, but. What is it, Dick?
You never buy Dick again? That's.
Is it Dick flavor, Eric?
Is that what you said, Dick?
Yeah.
No, it's called Mango Loco.
Oh yeah, I got that for KP because she loves mango.
It's okay.
I don't remember if she said she liked it or not.
I'm not big on like carbonated monsters, so I like the tea ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, the teas are good.
Yeah, I got raspberry, peach, and orange tea today.
Peach is the best.
They didn't have any pink. I like pink lemonade.
I bet you do like pink.
Pink Dick.
But they only had one. They only had one peach left, so I got the one peach they had.
Look at you. Now he's on a monster kick. Look at this.
Well, I always was. I stopped drinking them, dude. I couldn't sleep at night. I was having insomnia. Like I was.
What?
Yeah, because I used to drink them like 2, 3 every day.
You're a pussy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Story time.
Yeah. Dude, I can drink one of those and fall asleep.
I used to be able to.
I'm
I can't do it
caffeine
anymore, man.
intolerant.
I know. I can go home and drink a cup of iced tea,
Yeah.
and I can't sleep at night. Can't
Really?
go to sleep. Yeah, man. I used to be able to, like you said, drink a coffee before I went
Oh,
to bed.
yeah. I do
And
after,
go right
after
to sleep.
dinner. I drink
Now,
coffee after
like,
dinner.
if I
Yeah,
get
I was
up-
gonna say none of that bothers me.
If I get up in
I'll
the middle
fall
of the
asleep
night,
while drinking a f***ing Monster.
yeah, see, I can't do that. I don't know why. Like, it's like something flipped a switch, and I can't f***ing do it anymore.
You got old. You turned
Yeah,
30.
you're a pussy.
That too.
I said, yeah. Who the f*** tuned this? I think this thing was definitely.
It definitely was. I mean, it had a flex fuel sensor.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, he runs E.
I don't f***ing know this. You're talking to me like I know that this car had f***ing flex fuel on it?
No, I thought you knew. I don't know why, because
I
it's
knew that
NA.
whoever tuned it for E is a f***ing idiot. Sorry, they changed the storage table, like,
Storage table, huh?
that's what it's called.
Okay.
The storage air fuel table.
Okay.
It's generally set 14.1 all the way across the board, depending on alcohol content, that's how it is. And you change it to put an actual one in there, and he changed it like from 14.0 and then it just went like 12.0. Like it wasn't like
Linear?
it was, yeah, it's dumb. It's supposed to go down to like 8.9 anyway at 100% E. He had it at 12.0.
So what do you got going on this V?
It is getting a cam, full exhaust, stainless works,
Ported blower, right?
heat exchanger, ported blower, ice tank, and I believe that's it.
Okay. I knew the ported blower.
And a 5-inch intake.
Oh, okay, cool. Because we sent it out and now it's back, so.
Yep. We just got back the other day, I think, something like that.
Good.
So yeah, that's that.
Get to work.
I am.
I don't even remember what we baselined this thing, what it was on it so a while ago.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, did we baseline this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did. We never posted the video.
We
to it.
baselined it and Tyler had to take the blower off it.
That's right. I do remember. I never posted it because it was a while ago. You know what I'll do? I'll put the baseline right meow. So that's how much it made. I don't remember, but if you just watch this, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I do remember that.
I know we did it.
Yeah, I remember doing it. I
It
just
made
don't
like
remember.
good power too.
I don't remember what it made. What are you cursing at now?
Every fucking check engine light in this thing is turned off, and it's one of my biggest pet peeves when people do that. You know how long it takes to turn all this fucking back on?
2 minutes.
If you don't know what you're doing, stop fucking doing it. 2 minutes. I've been doing it for 10 minutes already. I'm only at code PO119. And these codes go up to like 2,000.
Oh, Jesus.
Literally, every fucking one. Throttle position codes, air intake temp codes, all the fucking fuel pump codes, like, they're there for a reason. All the ones highlighted green are all turned off, which is all of them. I'm just comparing that to another file. Injector codes, like knock sensor codes, all the coil codes were turned off. And this is what I have to do to literally every single one of them to turn them back on. Random misfire, see that should be off. All this knock sensor shit.
But you have fun with that.
One eternity later.